everyone, I am back with another unboxing. This one is from Columbia Candle Supply. She'd been on hiatus for a while, and so I hadn't ordered from her in a while. That's all, and that's it about that. All right, so let's see what I have in this package. Ugh. All right, there's a lot of packaging material in here, which is great, and it's the biodegradable kind. All right, we got some little decorations in there. They're actually stickers. I see the little label on the back you can peel off. So what have we here? Smells like bakery all up in this box. But I wanted some fall shapes. So, and I hadn't had Columbia Candle Supply in a while. So anyway, so the first thing that I have is spiced pumpkin and oat milk. This is in the shape of, which I'm all for the shapes. A little mummy and a pumpkin. And let me smell. Yeah, definitely a bakery scent. The next I have is sparkling limoncello, and that's not a bakery scent. Yes, oh, so crisp and fresh. So what's next? Mahogany and shea. These are some very pretty shapes. I keep saying it's my last wax order for a while, and it was until I saw that she had come back. It was my last, oh, that smells so good. It was, I had placed a previous order for Twilight Garden wax, and I said, oh, it's going to be my last wax order. And then I saw Columbia Candle Supply had come back, and I was like, oh, I guess I have to break my rule. Well, these are cute. These are black amethysts. I'm going to take them out of the bag so you can really see. Oh, the label is covering up one of these. That smells nice. Super relaxing. So that's the one shape, and the other one is in the shape of a rose that you guys have seen a lot of times with other candle companies. So that's a common shape there. I think I've gotten that same shape from 4 or 5 different companies. Next we have Tonka, and I don't even know how to say that. O-U-D, oud, oud. Oh, this smells amazing. Beautiful. And sparkly on the other side, but it's not, you can't hardly see it, but it's there. The sparkle is there. All right. We have cotton candy, which is the shape of a tree. That smells good. This is another one of the shapes that I get from her commonly. It's cotton candy, and it's, let me take it out, the lady is covering this one too. It's a seashell type of design. Alrighty. Next, warm vanilla and pink sugar. Oh, these are cute. You can see them right through the package though. This is a little ladybug. And then the types of flowers that we've seen in a lot of my unboxings. Fruit Loops. I always get her Fruit Loops when I see it. And this is very nice design. Just another one that I've gotten from her, not from a lot of other people, but from her frequently. All right, there's another layer in here. And blood orange and goji berry. And this is, looks like some little soaps that I've received, which is like that little mask. I've actually think I got a larger than this size though, a bath bomb in this design. That smells a little tart. Sweet and tart, not tart all the way. I don't want you guys to get the wrong idea. This is Red Cypress Fireside. Oh, I love this one. It smells smoky, but yet musky. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells really nice. And I'm usually not one that likes the smoky scents a lot, but I wanted to see what it smelled like, and I actually like this one. It smells masculine. That's what I can say about it. It smells masculine. And smoky without being like a twig on fire. This is Mint Mojito. And then we have two more. Yes, two more. More Fruit Loops. One is the shape of a star. That one's hiding behind the label. And then another, the second one, I have not seen this shape before, so I'm making sure you see it. But the other one is just typical couple layer star in Fruit Loops. And then finally, Sundress. Did I order Sundress? Oh, that's right, I don't have a... I don't remember if I ordered Sundress. Maybe I did. Sometimes she sends samples, and the samples are usually really nice sized. But this is Sundress, and I'm not sure because I don't have an invoice which ones I ordered. Mint Mojito I ordered. The Fruit Loops I definitely ordered. The Tonka I ordered. Mahogany Shea I ordered. The Warm Vanilla Pink Sugar I ordered. Oops. Cotton Candy, pretty sure I ordered. I think I ordered 2 cotton candies, did I not? Yes, 2 cotton candies. I ordered this Spice Pumpkin just for the shapes because I knew they'd come in some pretty shapes. And then this Slim Joe I ordered. Fireside, I can't remember whether I ordered that one. I think I did because I wanted to try the smokiness. But I'm not sure that I ordered the Blood Orange and Goji Berry. And I did order the Black Amethyst. All right, so yeah, so that's it for, they had a sale going on, which is another reason that I ordered. I was like at the tail end of the sale, but I needed to get it done because I needed a sale because that's all I'm buying from right now nowadays is when people are having sales or I have a discount code. All right, that's it from Columbia Candle Supply, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.